Could a tropical storm form? To ensure you never miss an update, please subscribe with notifications turned on. A tropical disturbance is currently active in the southern portion of the Mozambique Channel. While currently exhibiting signs of organization, the system remains relatively weak at this time. Forecast models suggest a possibility of this disturbance strengthening into a tropical storm within the next 48 hours. However, it's crucial to emphasize that this is not a guaranteed outcome. The projected path of the system is still highly uncertain, as is the potential intensity of the system if it strengthens. Potential impacts include periods of heavy rainfall and gusty winds in portions of the west coast of Madagascar, potentially leading to localized flooding. These impacts are most likely to occur this weekend and into early next week. Rough seas and elevated wave heights are possible later this week, particularly in southern coastal waters of Madagascar. It is crucial to stay informed by continuously monitoring weather updates from reliable sources such as your local meteorological services or regional tropical cyclone centers. Pay close attention to any warnings or advisories issued by authorities. If you reside in areas that could be affected by heavy rain or strong winds, take necessary precautions, secure loose objects outdoors, prepare an emergency kit with essential supplies, and have a plan in place in case of evacuation. If you live near the coast, be aware of the potential for rough seas and avoid coastal areas during periods of strong winds. This is a developing situation. The forecast for tropical disturbance the 6th of May changed significantly as new information becomes available. This update is intended for general awareness and should not be considered a definitive forecast. Always refer to official advisories and warnings from your local meteorological authorities for the most accurate and up-to-date information. While not currently expected, the possibility of rapid intensification cannot be entirely ruled out, particularly if favorable environmental conditions persist. Strong winds and large waves can contribute to coastal erosion, especially in vulnerable areas. By staying informed and taking necessary precautions, you can help to minimize potential risks associated with this developing weather system. In addition to Tropical Disturbance 6, there is another area of concern in the eastern part of the basin. A tropical storm could form within the monsoon trough over the next 2 days. The risk of this system reaching tropical storm strength is high on Monday, 27th, with the risk exceeding 60%, perhaps dropping after tomorrow to around 40% as environmental conditions start to become more unfavorable. While the subsequent trajectory is likely to be directed towards the west or southwest, the details of its path remain uncertain. Therefore, it is still too early to anticipate any potential threats to the islands of the basin. That's all for today. Subscribe to this channel to receive the latest updates on tropical cyclones. We would also appreciate it if you could share this video to keep others informed and safe. Stay safe and see you soon.